Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of mountain biking, specifically focusing on full suspension bikes that excel on trails. Whether you're tackling rocky terrains or cruising down scenic paths, having a reliable full suspension mountain bike can make all the difference. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. That's why we've curated a list of the best 7 full suspension mountain bikes that deliver durability, performance, and comfort. Let's get right into it and find the perfect ride for your next adventure. Number 1. Huffy Stone Mountain Bike Dual Suspension. The Huffy Stone Mountain Bike offers an impressive dual suspension system that makes it a fantastic choice for trail enthusiasts. Its design features a durable steel frame that can withstand the rigors of outdoor biking and supports a smooth ride across diverse terrains. Weighing about 35 pounds, it's sturdy yet manageable for riders of varying skill levels. One of its standout features is the front and rear suspension, which absorbs bumps effectively, allowing you to focus on the trail rather than the obstacles. The 18-inch frame is specifically engineered for comfort and stability, promising an enjoyable experience whether you're zipping downhill or climbing steep slopes. With 18-speed gear shifters, you can easily adjust to different inclines, making it versatile for various trail challenges. Its knoppy tires provide excellent traction, ensuring that you maintain control even on slippery surfaces. Also, the quick-release front wheel feature makes it easy to transport and store.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Schwinn Timber Full Suspension Mountain Bike. Next up is the Schwinn Timber Full Suspension Mountain Bike, a sleek and formidable option designed for trail lovers. With a lightweight yet robust steel frame, this bike prioritizes both strength and agility. The full suspension system encompasses both front and rear, providing a cushioned experience on rough trails, while the treaded tires handle bumps and roots effortlessly. Its 18-speed gear system gives you the flexibility to choose your preferred speed for any type of terrain. One of the more notable features is the adjustable seat that allows riders to find their perfect height, enhancing comfort during lengthy rides. The design also emphasizes safety with precise handling and a responsive brake system. Furthermore, the bike is equipped with a heavy-duty fork that ensures durability for long-term use. Overall, the Schwinn Timber is built to tackle both beginner trails and more challenging paths, catering to a broad audience. Number 3. Northwoods Full Suspension Mountain Bike. The Northwoods Full Suspension Mountain Bike is a compelling option that merges high-quality components with an appealing design. This bike is constructed with a high-tensile steel frame that offers both durability and a degree of responsiveness to your pedaling. The full suspension system absorbs shocks efficiently, making it easier to manage rocky paths or tree roots that may slow you down. Notably, the bike features 18-speed gear options, allowing you to seamlessly navigate through various terrains, from steep inclines to flat trails. It also incorporates front and rear linear pull brakes for reliable stopping power in any condition. The aggressive tires provide outstanding grip on diverse surfaces, ensuring you maintain your momentum during climbs and descents. The Northwoods design doesn't skimp on comfort either. It comes with an adjustable seat and a wide handlebar that promotes an ergonomic riding posture. The eye-catching design and color options can attract attention on the trails, while its overall performance ensures you don't sacrifice functionality for looks. Number 4. Swift Pro Full Suspension Mountain Bike. The Swift Pro Full Suspension Mountain Bike is an outstanding option tailored specifically for adventure seekers. With a lightweight aluminum frame, this bike manages to balance sturdiness with agility, perfect for navigating challenging trails. Its advanced full suspension system enables it to absorb shocks effectively, making it responsive to rapid changes in terrain. You'll appreciate the smooth ride whether you are cruising down an incline or facing a rocky ascent. Equipped with 24-speed gear options, you have complete control over your cycling experience, allowing for flexibility depending on the trail's demands. The hydraulic disc brakes offer unparalleled stopping power, giving you confidence as you navigate uneven paths. In terms of usability and features, the Swift Pro includes knobby tires that improve traction on variable surfaces, enhancing your overall ride experience. Additionally, the bike features an adjustable seat designed to accommodate various riders comfortably. With its striking aesthetics and robust design, the Swift Pro aims to attract both beginners and seasoned bikers alike, making it an exceptional choice for trail adventures. Number 5. Mongoose Mountain Bike Full Suspension. For bike enthusiasts who crave power and durability, the Mongoose mountain bike is a noteworthy option. Constructed with a durable steel frame, the bike features a full suspension system engineered to provide superior shock absorption across rugged terrains. Whether you're riding downhill at high speeds or tackling steep inclines, the Mongoose ensures stability and control. This model comes equipped with a 18-speed gear system, allowing for easy shifting and adaptable performance on various terrain types. The knobby tires provide excellent traction, which keeps you connected to the ground, enhancing your grip on winding or rocky trails. Furthermore, the front suspension fork adds an extra layer of comfort during bumpy rides. Safety is a priority with the Mongoose, as it offers reliable braking, with both front and rear linear pull brakes, ensuring you can stop quickly and safely when needed. Number 6. Schwinn Mountain Bike Full Suspension. The Schwinn Mountain Bike with full suspension capabilities is another fantastic option for trail biking enthusiasts. This bike's design showcases a high-quality steel frame that assures durability, while its versatile full suspension system makes it excellent for uneven and challenging terrains. It stands out for its smooth ride, allowing you to glide over bumps and dips seamlessly. Equipped with 18 speeds, this bike empowers riders to tackle inclines or rough patches with ease. The powerful front and rear brakes provide reliable stopping strength, ensuring that safety remains a top priority during your rides. High traction tires make sure that you maintain grip, which is crucial for navigating tough trails. The comfortable seat is adjustable, allowing the user to find the perfect height for a comfortable riding position. Additionally, the design includes a classic mountain bike aesthetic that appeals to many biking enthusiasts. With its quality construction and user-friendly features, the Schwinn mountain bike aims to cater to both beginner and intermediate riders looking to elevate their trail experience. As we close this exciting review of the best 7 full suspension mountain bikes for trails, we hope this guide has helped you find the right bike for your adventurous spirit. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, whether it's affordability, performance, or cutting-edge features. We encourage you to explore and test a few of these bikes to discover which suits your riding style the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own mountain biking experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy trails!